People choose to invest in silver for a wide range of reasons, including to diversify, hedge against inflation, store value, take advantage of industrial demand, and profit from potential price appreciation. Silver is a versatile metal with a wide range of industrial uses due to its properties. These properties include high electrical conductivity, thermal conductivity, reflectivity, and corrosion resistance. Auto manufacturing alone uses about 36 million ounces a year. Silver coins. Options for purchasing silver coins include the United States Mint, Royal Canadian Mint, Royal Mint of Great Britain, Perth Mint in Australia, and other government mints. Coins have numismatic or collectible value and therefore sell for a premium over the spot price of silver. Silver coins are the most liquid form of silver and are also legal tender. Even if silver prices dip below the value of the coin will always hold its face value. The term bullion coin refers to silver coins that are almost entirely made from precious, highly refined metals. Bullion coins are considered investment grade. The most popular bullion coins are produced by government mints. These coins are called sovereign coins because they are both manufactured and guaranteed by the government that produces them. The American Silver Eagle is the official silver bullion coin of the USA. It has been produced by the mint since 1986 and contains 1 troy ounce of .9999 fine silver. It has a face value of $1. The coin features walking liberty on the obverse, and the reverse features an eagle. There is a limited mintage of certain years, which lends itself to numismatic value. The Canadian silver maple leaf is produced by the Royal Canadian Mint since 1988. It contains 1 troy ounce of .9999 fine silver, the highest purity of silver used in bullion coins. It has a face value of $5 Canadian. The obverse of the coin features Queen Elizabeth II, and the reverse is a Canadian maple leaf. This design has stayed largely the same since the inception of the coin. The coin is available in the following sizes: 1 kilogram, 10 ounces, 1 ounce, half an ounce, a quarter ounce, a tenth of an ounce, a 20th of an ounce. The face value of the coin depends on the size. The limited mintage of the coin lends itself to numismatic value. The Chinese silver panda has been produced by the China Mint since 1983. Each year, the coin features a new design of a panda. The opposite side features the Temple of Heaven in Beijing. The Chinese silver panda is made of .999 fine silver. It comes in the following denominations: 30 grams, 150 grams, 1 kilogram. The coin is popular with collectors and enthusiasts because it is unique and changes annually. The most affordable low-grade silver coins include 35% silver wartime nickels, 40% Kennedy half dollars or Eisenhower dollars. These coins have low intrinsic value and therefore take up a lot of space. They require more space than 90% or 99.9% silver coins because they are only 35 to 40% silver. Junk silver are often worn and have lost numismatic and collectible value and are really only worth their silver or intrinsic value. Most often, junk silver coins are United States coins minted prior to 1965, which have 90% silver content. As stated, the loss of numismatic value leads to a lower premium over the spot price of silver. The value of these coins is most often calculated based on the weight and purity. Junk silver include old quarters, dimes, Morgan dollars, Franklin half dollars that are dated 1964 or earlier. These coins are made out of 90% silver. Silver rounds. In contrast to silver coins, silver rounds are not legal tender despite having inscriptions and other artistic designs. Common weights vary from 1/10 of an ounce to 10 ounces. Purity is usually either .999 or .9999 fine silver. However, there are some advantages to owning silver rounds. They are more unique than commonly encountered silver coins. Silver rounds generally come in standardized weights and finenesses. Silver rounds sell for a lower premium over spot because they are not considered as desirable and collectible as silver coins. Silver bars are available from both the government mint and private mints. They are usually stamped with their weight and purity. Purity is usually either .999 or .9999 fine. Often there will also be a unique serial number for security purposes. Silver bars are easier to stack than coins because they are usually rectangular and have low relief stamping. Silver bars usually sell for less of a premium over spot than silver coins. The larger the silver bar, the less liquid it may be because in general it is harder to sell things that cost more money.